Hi everyone, welcome to this new series where we'll be solving the Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Past Paper 0478/22 from the May-June 2025 exam session. Let's get started. Question number 4, Part A. Samira picks one of these cards at random and replaces it. Find the probability that she picks an odd number. Let's look at the cards in the question. They are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Samira is going to pick one card at random, and then she puts it back. We want to find the probability that she picks an odd number. First, let's remind ourselves which numbers are odd. The odd numbers in this set are 1, 3, 5 and 7. So there are 4 odd numbers. Now, how many cards are there altogether? There are 7 cards in total, so the probability of picking an odd number is number of odd cards divided by total number of cards. That is 4 over 7. So the answer is, the probability is 4 by 7. Great! We have solved the question. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share with others. Have a nice day.